So I'm here once again. So I will teach you how to build your funnel using the Zotify IO funnel builder in your sub account. So let's go. So first go to the sites. So we need to go to sites. If we are in the sites, if we are in the sites, go to the website and click news website. So if you are in, we need to click new funnel. So new funnel. So if you get a new funnel, name your funnel and landing page. Landing page link. So we need to go like need to so create from the blank. We need to name our landing page. Need to put landing page. So if you are done putting this, we need to wait a few minutes. So okay, if you are done putting, so click to each open or optimize image. So click on each optimize or here on the name page tab stats or stats and the each clip image often drag and drop builder and customize the layout, the text, image and buttons. So if you are done with that, click publish when ready and copy the funnel URL to share with ads too. Share with ads.